Okay, folks, in this 3-mark question, we're asked to simplify 2x squared y in a bracket all cubed. So I'm cubing each term. Essentially, I've got 2x squared y multiplied by 2x squared y multiplied by 2x squared y. So if in doubt, guys, just obviously write it out in full. So to cube something means to multiply it by itself twice. Okay, so once and then once again. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay, then I have x squared times x squared times x squared. That'll be x to the power of 6, because when I'm multiplying with the same base, I'm going to add the powers. Finally, I've got y times y times y is y cubed. So my final answer reads 8x to the power of 6 y cubed. Thank you.